Hi, I live in Townsville where the flood has been happening at the moment, and this is the street around the corner from me called Townsend Street, and this is what the flood's been doing. Lots of debris on the road where the water has come up, and water over the road a bit further ahead. So the debris indicates how far the water has actually come up, but it keeps going down whenever we get a little bit of a break in the rain. Yeah. Mindham Park here, it used to actually be a creek a long time ago, but got turned into a park and a road and all that. But at the moment, it's a bit of a lake. I haven't seen it come up like this in years. There's the vet where my cat goes in the distance there. I hope they're okay. And yeah, the road has been closed off to traffic. So yeah, it's a bit scary. It's good when we get a break in the rain like this because it gives the chance, the water, a bit of a chance to go back down a bit. But last night when I came down here, there wasn't any water over the road. So this is all from last night, overnight. Yeah, some water in some people's yards and stuff, yeah. So hopefully it recedes this afternoon and there goes the army going past. Yeah, hopefully if it keeps up with not raining, it'll give the water the chance to recede some more. Because we certainly don't want it coming anywhere near our place. Anyway, signing off. Thanks for watching.